Hey everyone, so let me help you remember all of the scientists for the cell theory. Number 1 is Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke looked at cells using one of the very first microscopes. He's the guy who actually coined the term cell because it looked like monks' cells, kind of like jail cells, but for people who were kind of in monasteries at the time. Anton van Leeuwenhoek. He was the one who decided to look at bacterial scrapings from his teeth. Ew, Anton van Leeuwenhoek, ew, bacteria, right? He was the first one to see living, moving cells. Matthias Schleiden sliding into plant cells. He was the botanist who had studied plants and discovered that all plants are made of cells. Then Theodor Schwann, sounds like swan, which is an animal. He was a zoologist who discovered that all animals are made of cells. And the last one, Rudolf Virchow, he was the one who discovered that all cells come from pre-existing cells. That V is like that first cell, and then it divides into all the other cells, right? So the cell theory is all living things are composed of cells. Cells are the basic unit of structure and function of all living things. And cells come from pre-existing cells. So one more time. Robert Hooke looked at cells and called them cells. Anton van Leeuwenhoek, ew, bacteria. He called them animalcules. Matthias Schleiden, sliding into plant cells. Theodor Schwann, sounds like swan, animal cells. And Rudolf Virchow, all cells come from pre-existing cells. And that's the cell theory. So don't forget to listen to the song, and I'll see you.